Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are talking about one of the most popular crypto exchanges for traders looking for low fees, trending altcoins, and advanced trading features, MEXC exchange. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon so you never miss upcoming crypto platform reviews, blockchain updates, and educational trading content. Let me clarify, this video content is for educational and informational purpose only. Cryptocurrency trading involves risk, and viewers should always do their own research before using any exchange or making any financial decision. Viewers, if you are looking for a crypto exchange with low fees, thousands of coins, and early access to trending projects, then you should know about MEXC exchange. MEXC is a centralized cryptocurrency exchange launched in 2018. It allows users to buy, sell, trade, and earn crypto through spot trading, futures, staking, launch pairs, and more. Over the years, MEXC has become widely known among crypto traders because of its large selection of digital assets and advanced trading ecosystems. One reason many traders like MEXC is because it lists a huge number of altcoins and trending tokens before any other exchanges for users interested in discovering new crypto projects. Only this can be a major advantage. It also offers low trading fees and high liquidity for active traders, making the platform attractive for both beginners and experienced users. Now we will discuss some of MEXC's most popular features, and they are different. So first one is spot trading. So we were spot trading for buying and selling crypto with access to thousands of the trading pairs. And the next amazing feature is future trading. Futures trading with leverage for users interested in advanced trading opportunities. And the next amazing feature is Launchpad and Kickstarters. So you can check out here different features. It's Launchpad and it's Kickstarters. Launchpad and Kickstarters for new tokens opportunities and early stage blockchain projects. And the next amazing feature is Earn and Staking. So earn and staking products for passive rewards on supported cryptocurrencies. And the next amazing feature that is its mobile application, mobile app for trading anywhere and monitoring the market on the go. You can download it for Apple Store, Google Store, and it's also available in the form of APK. Another amazing feature is security. So, viewers, you can see that MEXC says its users deserve backing and security funds to help protect users' assets. As with any exchange, users should still practice proper security and use caution, using strong passwords, enabling two-factor authentication, and staying careful during market volatility are always important steps for the account protection. While many users like MEXC for fees and altcoin access, some traders have reported issues related to outages or support during volatile periods. So always do research before choosing an exchange. Understanding the risk and using responsible trading strategies remains important on any crypto platform. Now let's talk about an exciting and time-limited collaboration between MEXC and CryptoVi. Viewers, this campaign gives eligible new users a chance to participate in a 1,000 USDT future bonus pool, and the event period is May 5, 2026 to May 19, 2026. You can check that the event is going to be started on 5th of May and it is going to be ending on 19th of May. And the reward distribution time within 14 calendar days of the events. And the promotion is designed to welcome new traders into the platform while offering additional bonus rewards for the completing simple tasks. So, how to participate? Just 3 steps required. Step 1 is register. You will have to create a MEXC account using the dedicated Crypto Vibe referral link. You can check out the referral link in the description of the video. And the next step will be a deposit. The requirement to deposit at least 100 USDT within 7 days of your first transactions. So, viewers, you can check out that eligible participants who complete this task can unlock 10 USDT bonus. To qualify, that 100 USDT net deposit should remain on the platform for at least 1 full day. So if you want to deposit, different options are available. On-chain deposit, P2P trading, debit, credit card, and Apple Pay and Google Pay options are available. And the step 3 is futures trade. Open at least 1 future trade on the platform. Even a future trade worth just 1 USDT can complete the requirement. After completing this step, eligible users may receive another 10 USDT bonus. So here you can see the link of trade. Now you can trade, and here you can also check out the trading platform. So you can check out BTC USDT trading. So viewers, you can bring in the total possible reward up to 20 USDT if you complete all these tasks. And here you can also check out the additional events details. The campaign also include a track your progress section where users can monitor their milestones and reward eligibility in real time. Here are a few important details. Rewards are expected within 14 calendar days after the event ends. The campaign is limited to the first 20 eligible users. Participation is available only during the active event period because slots are limited. Interested users may want to complete the requirements early, and here you can also check out the event rules, terms, and conditions. I recommend all my viewers to read out all these details. So overall, MEXC is one of the most popular exchanges for traders who want access to a wide range of crypto assets and advanced trading tools. If you are into finding new gems early, MEXC may be the worth by checking out. And with the current crypto-wide collaboration campaign, new users also have an opportunity to explore the platform while unlocking additional promotional rewards. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe my YouTube channel. And you can also check out that I will post the trending projects coverage. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye.